Welcome to a world where imagination comes to life in stunning visual depth and detail, all thanks to AI. In this era of creativity, creating a 3D animation video has always been one of the toughest tasks. Animation is a highly creative and time-consuming process. A creator would have to work for weeks on end to produce just a few minutes of animation. However, in this era of artificial intelligence, animating has become much easier. With just a few clicks, you can create a 3D animation movie. You can even upload them on YouTube and generate passive monthly revenue. Before we dive into the video, do me a favor. Click subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss valuable content in the future. Let's get started. First, head over to Google, type Deep Motion, and click the first link. We need to create an account on Deep Motion AI. It's simple. Just enter your email, set a password, and verify it. After creating an account, click on Go to the portal. Wait for a few seconds and click on Animated 3D. Next, click on Get Started on the next page. You can see the instruction list, read instructions if you like, or skip them. We have a lot of options here like 3D animation, 3D pose, single-person tracking, or multi-person tracking. You can also drag and drop your video. It will automatically animate your video movement to 3D animation, which we are going to do later on. Now, click on 3D models. You can also upload a 3D model if you have one, but this time we will create a model using AI. Here, you can create two types of models, a stylized character or a realistic character. Select whichever you prefer. I will choose the stylized character. Our 3D model is ready. Now we are going to customize the model. As we want, we can change the skin tone, face type, eyebrows, nose type of outfit, and everything else as we like. It will take a few minutes to create an avatar we like, but it is worth it. It looks like our avatar is almost ready. Now, if you are done with your 3D model, click on Next, give it a name, and wait for a few minutes. Now that our 3D models are ready for animation, click on Create Animation. Now we are going to use our video clip for animation. Drag your video from your browser and make sure your video file size is less than 100 MB. The free version of Deep Motion has certain limitations. It will take time to analyze your video and select all features like physical filters, face tracking, and hands tracking for a better result. Leave the rest as it is. Now click on the video output. Enable the MP4 mode. For background, select Studio mode. It will automatically turn your background into a green screen. If your video is more than 20 seconds long, you have to trim it. As I already said, there is a limitation on the free version. You have an invalid trim option that automatically trims your video length. Click on Create. It will use our 40 credits out of 60 to create a 20-second animation. Now click on Save. Go and have some fresh air. It will take a little more time. Wait until it completes your animation. When it is ready, you can preview your animation. I'm happy with my animation. It did a good job. Now we need to download the animation. Go to the animation and click on Download. Select the MP4. Now we are going to use our favorite video editing software, CapCut. Drag the video files you have downloaded just now. For the sake of this, I have created two more animations following the same step. Now we need some cool background and music for our animation. If you haven't watched this video, go and watch it. I have revealed the secret of the YouTuber where you can find copyrighted music, videos, and photos for free. Go and watch it, hurry up, or save to the playlist. Now edit your video, remove the green screen, and adjust the animation. When you are done with your editing, export the file. If you want a high-quality result like this, make sure to spend more time creating high-quality animation. For the sake of learning, I just simplified the process so you can start your animation journey. Good luck! But before we dive into the final video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment below, and follow me on all social media. I'm giving away $2,500 to one of you when my channel hits 100K subscribers.